วัดบูรพารามวัดบูรพาราม is an old temple. It was presumed to have been built in Thonburi period, together with Surin city. It was constructed under the command of Praya Surin Phakdi Srinarong Jangwang. Inside the temple, Luang Pho Prachi, a statue of Buddha in the act of subduing evils, is installed. The age of statue is unknown, but it was estimated to be the same as this temple. It's highly respected scar object in Surin. The temple has been titled the Royal Temple in 1977.